Hi Sam. I'm glad to see you today. Are you ready to learn a new German word?
Hi Alex. Yes, I'm excited. What's the word for today?
Today we're learning.
Zustand.
It means condition or state in English. It can refer to physical conditions or even emotional states.
Interesting. Is there a common usage for it?
Yes, the most common meaning is condition, like when you describe the state of an object or how someone is feeling. Just be careful, as a false friend is the English word state, which can mean something different in legal contexts.
Got it. What about the grammar?
Zustand.
Is a masculine noun, so it uses the article.
Der.
The plural form is.
Zustände.
In the present tense, you can say,
Der Zustand ist gut.
which means the condition is good.
And how would I use it in the past?
In the Prateritem, you would say,
Der Zustand war schlecht.
which means the condition was bad. For the perfect, you can say,
Der Zustand ist gewesen.
meaning the condition has been.
That's quite straightforward.
Yes, and the imperative form isn't really used for,
Zustand.
since it's not a verb. But it's good to know how to use it in different tenses.
Where does the word
Zustand.
come from?
Great question.
Zustand.
Comes from the old High German word,
Zustand.
which means to cause to stand. The meaning has evolved over time to represent a situation or condition.
That's fascinating.
It really is. The historical context helps us understand how it's used today.
Can we break the word down a bit?
Sure.
Zustand.
Is a compound word made up of the prefix meaning to or towards, and the root,
Stand.
meaning to stand. So you can think of it as to stand in a certain way.
That makes sense.
Yes, and since it's a compound, you follow the head last rule, determining the gender from the last noun.
Are there similar words I should know?
Absolutely. Here are a few examples. First, with the same prefix, we have,
Zugang.
which means access. Then there's,
Zufall.
meaning coincidence.
What about different suffixes?
Sure. With the suffix,
ung.
we have,
Bewegung.
meaning movement. Another one is,
Erfahrung.
meaning experience.
Are there any other compound words?
Yes. For example,
Zustimmung.
means agreement, and
Zusammenhang,
means context. Each of these words is built similarly to
Zustand,
Can we practice using
Zustand.
in sentences?
definitely. Imagine you're at a doctor's appointment. You might say,
mein Zustand ist nicht gut.
meaning my condition is not good. Can you try that?
Sure.
Mein Zustand ist nicht gut.
Perfect. Now, how about when you're discussing an object? You could say,
Der Zustand des Autos ist ausgezeichnet.
meaning the condition of the car is excellent.
Der Zustand des Autos ist ausgezeichnet.
Very good. Lastly, if you were explaining your emotional state, you might say,
Mein emotionaler Zustand ist stabil.
which translates to my emotional condition is stable.
Mein emotionaler Zustand ist stabil.
Now, let's talk about remembering the gender of
Zustand,
Yes, I need some help with that.
Since it's masculine, you might remember that it ends in,
and,
which is a common pattern for masculine nouns.
That's a helpful tip.
Also, you can visualize a sturdy statue standing in perfect condition, which represents
Zustand.
Are there any usage notes I should keep in mind?
yes,
Zustand,
is often used in both formal and informal situations. Typical collocations include
der Gesundheitszustand,
meaning health condition,
der Zustand verändern,
meaning to change the condition, and
in einem guten Zustand sein.
meaning to be in a good condition.
I see. Are there any common mistakes?
A common confusion is with,
Zustimmung,
which means agreement. Make sure to differentiate between condition and agreement.
Can you give me some example sentences?
Of course. Here are a few.
der Zustand der Wohnung ist schlecht.
Means the condition of the apartment is bad. Another one is,
Ich habe meinen Zustand verbessert.
meaning I have improved my condition. Also,
Der Zustand des Wetters ist wechselhaft.
means the condition of the weather is changeable.
Those are great.
And one more.
Ihr Zustand hat sich verschlechtert.
Meaning her condition has worsened.
Okay, I think I'm ready for a quick recall check.
Great. First question, what is the gender of?
Zustand.
It's masculine.
Correct. How do you say the condition of the car in German?
Der Zustand des Autos.
Very good. What's the plural form of?
Zustand.
Is it?
Zustände.
Yes. What does
Zustimmung.
mean?
That's agreement, right?
Exactly. Last question, how do you say my condition is good in German?
Mein Zustand ist gut.
Perfect. You did really well. To summarize, today we learned the word
Zustand.
which means condition. We covered its grammar, history, and practical usage.
Thanks, Alex. I feel much more confident with this word now.
I'm glad to hear that, Sam. Keep practicing, and you'll continue to improve.